Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you're going to find some pictures for it. Obviously, I just found these offline. Use whatever pictures, obviously. The next thing, I'm editing the photos. This is optional, but I feel like it gives it more of like a Polaroid vibe. If you're going to edit the photo the way I'm doing it, you're going to put the filter on either Vivid Cool or Vivid Warm, whatever fits the picture better. Then you're going to want to put the brilliance. You're going to want to turn the brilliance up, and then you're going to want to put auto on, and you're going to turn it down. And then the next one on, I forget what it's called, you're going to turn it down, and then you're going to vignette, and you're going to make the corners dark. The next thing you're going to want to do is make it look like a Polaroid photo with the white edges. I'm using an app for it, and then I'm going to put them all on one sheet of paper using another app. Now that they're all printed out, I'm just going to cut them out. Now that they're all printed out, you're going to need some packing tape or regular tape, but packing tape works best because it's bigger. And you're just going to cover the page with packing tape. Ooh. Moving on. Okay. I'm just setting them up on my string lace. You can do whatever you want with them, obviously, but I thought they looked cute this way, so that's why I did it.